Here it is, part 3 of my 3-part series testing out the Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint to create beautiful cells. I'm loving this one, and you know what, guys? I did it all using just Artist Loft Ready Mix Paint, including the pour over paint. Check out today's video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello again, everyone. This is your girl Camille. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you all for being here. Today's video number 150, is a part 3 of my 3-part series just testing out the Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint to create beautiful cells. I stumbled on this, and so I kept experimenting. And today's video is just a wrap up of my experiment. Alright, guys, I'm using only the Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint. Alright, and that includes the black paint pour over. So I'm using the black Ready Mix Pouring Paint, and I'll be pouring it over these beautiful colors. And I'm using the same 5 colors as I started off with in video number 148. So yellow, neon pink, turquoise, purple, and metallic white. And as you can see, I'm just placing the white in between each colors as best as I can. It's metallic white, so I do love the shimmer I got from it, so I kept using it. I just want to explain that if the paint, with these ready mix paints, some I had for a while, like the yellow, so I had to add some water in it to thin it to get it to the consistency of, let's say, the pink, which I didn't add any water to. All right, so you know, these are just ready mix paint that you're just pour to go. You don't need to add anything to it, no additives, nothing, no pouring medium. Everything is just good to go. But like I said before, if it's too thick, just go ahead, add some water, and you're good. You know, just get the consistency, make all within the same consistency. As for the black paint, I made it thinner, so I add more water to it. Okay, I promise I'm going to show you guys a video mixing the black, just adding the water just to get the kind of ratio, because this was an experiment, so it's an approximation. So I would say maybe like 2 parts of the black ready mix pouring paint to like 1 part water, or you know, just adjust as you go. All right, guys, I'm just estimating right now. I need some more practice with this, so just bear with me. Okay, guys, I'm just loving the result. You know, when I first did this and I looked at it, I'm like, it's all black, and I thought it was, you know, ruined because the cells didn't pop through as quickly as the previous 2. All right, so I was thinking, oh my goodness, this is not working. But you know what, guys, sometimes it's all about patience. These cells do take a while to come through, and I find too that the cells, they are not as huge as the very first one that I did, video number 148. In that video, I mixed the Artist Loft flow acrylic, not the ready mix pouring paint. Okay, they're different. So the flow acrylic, you need to add pouring medium to that. Okay, so the Artist Loft flow acrylic, okay, or you guys say the soft body, I think it's renamed the soft body. So with that one, I did add the pouring medium to it, but I used my previous pouring medium that I've been working with throughout my cells, right? So I did add the Zincerlix extender, and I did add the Wagner paint conditioner and a drizzle of the Artist Loft pouring medium to video number 148. Okay, and the cells came out bigger than video number 149, and of course this video 150. So then for video number 149, I decided to just use the Artist Loft pouring medium for the black. So I just want you guys to go over and check out those previous videos. and do tell me which you prefer. And of course, at the end of this video, I'll be showing you the dried result of all three hanging together. And it's just amazing because, like I said, guys, I use the same three colors and it's just three beautiful results. They're just so unique, they're just different. And I want you guys to watch all the way to the end and do check out the dried result. If you guys are new to my channel and you are haven't subscribed yet, I want to say go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. All right, guys, this keeps my channel going, and it means the world to me, and it's free for you. All right, and I do want to share my experience and to encourage you to get up, think outside the box, and be creative. Be the best you can be, and don't doubt yourself, don't limit yourself. Try, experiment, find your own way. Okay, I want to say too that as you can see, I'm fixing the edges of the canvas. I'm using a 10 by 10 inch. All three I've used the 10 by 10 inch canvas in these three experiments. And I want to say, the only thing I should have done for this particular video, and even for all three, I should have painted the sides, because as you can see, the sides, it's becoming thinner. You can see the exposed canvas, so I had to fix it a bit, add some more colors. So in the future, I know for a fact that I'll be painting the sides, the edges, just so that I don't use that much paint. All right, guys, like I say, it's a learning experience, and I'm proud of the result I'm getting right now. It's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below. Thanks. I want to mention too that previously you saw me with something in my hand, like it's blue. I should have mentioned that that's a torch. It's just a small torch that I have right now. My other one is broken, and that's a replacement for now. I'm mentioning this because someone had asked me if I'm spraying something on the painting to develop the cell, like maybe silicone oil. So I just want to mention to you, no silicone oil. That was a torch, for those who doesn't know that I was using a torch. I just want to clarify that, because no silicone oil was used in this experiment, and and no pouring medium. It was all the effect from the ready mix pouring paint. Okay, so paint that you're just good to go, no additives, nothing to be added to it, just the water to thin if you need. Okay, and here it is, the close-up of the wet result and the colors. Oh, I am just over the moon. I love it. This is my favorite. I'm just hoping that in the future I can get to create more beautiful painting like this. I mean, the cells are amazing, and the fact that they give that gradient effect, the purple, the turquoise, the yellow, the pink mixed with the yellow, giving that orange, and that neon pink is just dazzling. I'm loving the effects. I'm loving seeing that orange in there, and the purple is amazing, and the turquoise. All the colors remain just as beautiful. I'm happy with this one. I do hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And of course, here it is, all dried. Check out the shimmer, check out the glossy finish. It's just beautiful. These Artist Loft ready mix paint, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I did fix the side. I want to show you a bit that I add some colors where I could, and yeah, the cells remain just as beautiful. They hold their shape. Let me apologize about the flash on the canvas there, but yeah, guys, it's just amazing. I am so in love. This is beautiful, and I'm gonna challenge myself to do this on a bigger canvas, and I can't wait to show you guys the beautiful result. Let me know what you guys think about this one. What do you see in the painting? I mean, the colors are just amazing. I'm loving it, guys. I'm really, really loving this one. I am so happy with this one. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. And here you have it. I hang all three together, all three 10 by 10 inch. using the same colors, using a different pour over paint, but all the ready mix pouring paint by Artist Loft, and different results. Loving it, guys, loving all these comparison. And of course I do have my favorite. Which is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up if you do love it. If you find it to be helpful in any way, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, share it with your friends and family. Check out my playlist, guys, and of course I will see you all next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.